Hello guys, I'm वापस आ चुका है. Today we are going to see how to install the Python modules. We can install the Python modules in offline and in online. Let's see how to. You can see some libraries gives errors when you are installing pip install some module name, right? To solve this type of errors, we have to do some steps. Let's see now what are the steps we have to do. How to remove errors and install Python library, module. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Pip install PyAudio. You can see it giving some error, right? Still you can see it giving some error, right? So sometimes this error is coming, right? It's common. Let's see how to remove this error. Let's see, is there any way to install these libraries which are giving error? So I'm going to explain now. Let's see how is it. Yeah, first thing, go to the browser and type unofficial Python libraries. You can see here first unofficial Windows binary for Python extension. Click on it. So now I want PyAudio library. So I am doing control. I am giving searching, finding the PyAudio using controller. PyAudio. Here is it, right? Click on it. You can see here there is a lot of wheel files. Now we have to decide what we have to download for our Python. So here is 39, right? So this file is related to Python 3.9 version. It is for 64-bit, it is for 32-bit. It is for 3.8 version Python. It is for same 3.8 version, but it is 32-bit. So slightly click on it. It works. When you click on it, it automatically download into your local system. Yeah, now we have downloaded the file, wheel file. Let's see how to install it. Okay, let's clear the command pip install. We need to give the file name. We need to give the file name pip install file name dot. Please ensure that don't forget to give .whl extension. Actually, what is pip? Pip is a software which is used to install the Python libraries, right? It is like a platform to install Python modules. Yeah, small change in it. I had downloaded 2 files, so I'm running the one here and then click on the enter. No such file directory. Okay, it is not in the desktop, so I need to go to downloads. So I'm giving install PyAudio. You can see it is downloading. Hope you got it right. Simply we have to give the first thing, we have to go to the website and download which file we want to install, which model, and copy the name of the file with extension and give pip install file name which we are copied. Okay, hope you got it right. And you know that how to install modules in online. Pip install module name, as I said in before previous videos. Guys, hope you got it right. Actual thing is that almost all modules we can install using pip install module name. Some of the modules like PyAudio, PyTalk, PyTorch, some of the modules we are not able to install, right? For it you can use this method. Guys, hope you like it, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share the video link with your friends. If you get any doubt, if you get any problem regarding these steps or this video or previous videos, you can contact me in Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and also in LinkedIn also. And also I am giving the link for the Python extension packages in the description. Check it once. Guys, मिलते हैं next video में. Bye bye.